Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off file dock function for some Smart Sidebar in Realme 14x phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down to accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to go to the Smart Sidebar option. And we need to scroll down again. And here it is, file dock. So right now we have it enabled, as you can see here, it's on. We can tap it, and here we have our switch. So file dock on, file dock off. We have a short explanation what does this function do at the top, as you can see, and we can switch it on or off using this simple switch. And that's basically it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.